Hey everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and today I'll show you how you can install and activate the plugin Advanced Shipping for WooCommerce. Now, Advanced Shipping for WooCommerce is a great plugin to build flexible shopping rules such as free shipping on cart totals, shipping options based on prices, time-based shipping, or shipping rates based on weight, dimensions, and so on. If you sell many different types of products in your shop, then you'd want to offer different shipping options or costs because shipping fees does matter to customers. There are reports from different entities such as Shopify or Sellers Commerce or Digital Commerce where they say that a range between 60 to 80% of customers are more likely to order more to achieve free shipping. That's why you'll see several e-commerce shops offering free shipping on higher number of cart totals. For example, free shipping if you order more than $100 and stuff like that, right? At the same time, if you're selling physical products, then delivery fees may vary depending on the weight of the product. So in that case, you'd want to keep the shipping fees dynamic based on different weights, and you should keep that transparent with your customers. All right, so that's where Advanced Shipping for WooCommerce comes in. You can get this plugin from Rex Theme as an individual plugin, or you can get it with the value for money bundle called Sell Kit from Rex Theme. I'll keep the link in the description for the bundle. You can check it out. All right, whichever you choose, that's up to you. Now let's go ahead and show you how you can install and activate the plugin. When you purchase the plugin, you're prompted to create an account in Rex Theme. So to get the plugin file, you need to go to your account. And here you need to download it. So once you go to your account, you usually see your purchase details, right? To download the plugin, go to downloads, and here you'll see that there are all the plugins that you bought from Rex Theme listed here, and on the right side there's the download file. Now I have all the plugins in my account, which is why you can see there are so many options. But if you just buy Advanced Shipping, then that's all you will see. So you can see this is Advanced Shipping for WooCommerce, and if I click on this one, it will download the plugin file. And once you have downloaded the plugin, all right, it's time to activate it in your website. So let's go to the website dashboard, and here go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now remember, before you install and activate this, you should have WooCommerce installed and activated, because this plugin is specialized for WooCommerce only. So you control your shipping options for WooCommerce. So click on upload plugin, and then here you have to upload the plugin. Now I have the plugin downloaded in the downloads file, and I'm just going to drag and drop it here and click on install now, and then I'm going to click on activate plugin, and there you go, this is activated. Once you activate the plugin, you'll see on the left side you'll get this menu called Advanced Shipping, which is this plugins menu. All right, and once you install it for the first time, you'll go through this setup wizard. You can see it's pretty clean. It talks about what the plugin is, and then here's a video you can watch to see how the plugin works. Okay, let's scroll down and click on next, and here you'll see that if you don't have WooCommerce, then this is where it is prompted to install WooCommerce, because this plugin won't work without WooCommerce. Now I already have WooCommerce installed and activated, so it's already installed. You can see. Next, you have to activate the license of the plugin. To get the license, go to your account in Rex Theme again and go to the license key menu, and here you'll see that all the licenses that you have from Rex Theme are listed here. So for Advanced Shipping, I have this license key, so I'll just copy this and I'll go to that menu and paste it over here, and then click on activate license, and there you go, my license is activated. Now let's click on next, and you're done. So let's set your shipping. If you click on this, it's gonna open up the shipping settings, where you first need to set up your shipping options, and then you can go to Advanced Shipping and configure your shipping customizations that you want to make. All right, so this plugin is really handy. Go ahead and use it if you need to customize your shipping options or offer multiple shipping options based on different conditions. All right, I'll create more videos to show you how you can use this plugin in different scenarios, so that you can actively use it moving forward. All right, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.